Guys, this is Raptor Paint Jobs RGV, and we're here building a chicken coop. We have no idea how to build a chicken coop, but you know, I guess we have to build one because of the COVID-19, but we have no idea. But we've been watching videos on how to build one, and I guess we're just gonna go at it, see how it comes out.
You know they're gonna kick your ass in the comments, right?
Yup, the comments. Oh my god.
Alright, whatever. Build a chicken coop.
Let's get to it, guys.
Alright guys, as you can see, we already finished the door frame. We already laid out the cement so the dog won't dig its way into the chicken coop. And come here. We're gonna get rid of all this nonsense, all this junk we don't need, and we're gonna start building the chicken coop from that corner of the wall to the other side of the corner of the wall. So, and they have a really good area to play around, I guess, whatever chickens do. And other than that, well,
the other thing we need to put is the chicken
oh yeah, the chicken net, the chicken wire
all the way around,
all the way around, so they won't escape, and it's gonna be bad if they do escape. So, well, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright guys, so we're here with day 2 on the chicken coop. What we started doing is we started putting the chicken net already, as you can tell.
We already started over there from that corner
all the way over there. We came right here. Not really much halfway done, but still got a long way to go. So let's just get to doing this and see how it comes out. Alright guys?
Use a little time lapse. Hope you like it.
Alright guys, so we finished putting up the chicken net out in the back, and we just finished installing this metal door that we made here. We were officially gonna make it out of wood, but we decided to make it out of metal. It was way better and it's way lighter. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a 2x6 up there for frame support. So let's get to that. Alright, so as you can see right here, we're already done with the door. We really don't know anything about making a chicken coop or anything, but we're satisfied with this right here. And as you can see back there, come with us. You can see over there, we're making a hole so we can put in this pond for our chickens over there. And our 2 little ducks that are underneath the chickens.
2 little ducks.
So you're making a chicken pond.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah.
A chicken pond.
Yeah. Because why not?
Alright, whatever. Alright.
Alright, well, we're gonna finish up putting it there, and here's another time lapse.
Alright guys, so it looks like we're already done with our chicken pond. What we're gonna do now is just go get the hose and put some water in here so the chickens, I guess, can come in here.
You know that chickens don't really swim, right?
Well, at least they'll have something to drink.
All right.
Alright, so now we're just gonna let it fill up. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, we're already done putting the plants, big rocks, and right now we're just doing we're just putting these small little pebbles all around the little cracks so it'll look nice. Alright guys, so let's get to finishing this up.
For the chickens.
Yeah, I guess for the chickens.
All right.